Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today my mom is going to be virtually giving me a makeover. Wait, is that the right words to say? I'm gonna FaceTime my mom and she's gonna choose all my makeup, and she's also gonna be sharing with me some of her skincare tips. This video is actually sponsored by Clinique, so thank you Clinique for sponsoring this video. I have always considered my mom to be a skincare expert. She's a nurse practitioner and she's a certified medical esthetician, and her skin is so flawless. She looks amazing, and I trust anything that she says about skincare and medical. I'm really excited to get into it. She's sharing with me her makeup routine that she uses, and I actually have her makeup routine on my face right now. This is what she considers to be the best makeup for mature skin, and I actually love the way I look. This is more of an everyday look for me that I would totally wear all the time. So mom, this one's for you. I hope you like the way it came out, mom. I'm gonna send you a picture right now and you'll probably be watching this video, so thanks, mom. So if you guys want to hear all my mom's tips and tricks on her skincare and what makeup she decided to choose for me, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the Dom fam. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, you guys, so I already did my brows. I haven't done anything to my skin yet, but I am gonna call my mom and let her choose my entire routine, what the routine she picks for me is going to be, and also get some advice from her on what her skincare routine before makeup is as well. So let's call her. She lives in Texas, so it'll probably be nighttime out there. So she'll probably be getting ready for bed right now. Hey mom. So you guys, this is my mom. She's so gorgeous. So what would be like the first thing I should do before makeup?
Well, first I would say you need to start with a clean palette. So you need to make sure your face is nice and clean. Second thing would be to make sure that you're nice and hydrated.
Okay, so I have my water right here, mom. I listened to your advice.
Well, you know, yeah, water hydration, but also some type of skin hydration, like some type of moisturizer.
Okay. Well, Clinique was so sweet to send us both the Clinique Smart Clinical Multi-Dimensional Age Transformer Duo. That was a mouthful. They sent us both this jar right here. Now, this is something that's targeted more towards mature skin, and my mom actually has been using it. She has hers right there. She's been using it for a while, testing it out, and you really like it, right?
Well, I used to work at the Clinique counter.
That's right.
I really enjoy their products, first of all. So this product is pretty neat because it has like two particular formulas in one. The Resculpt formula, it's like the white part.
Okay.
It kind of helps you tighten those areas of your skin that tend to sag as you get older, unfortunately. And for me, that tends to be like the jawline, the jowls, the neck. So the white part of the formula, those are the areas that I would focus on. And I'm gonna apply that in just a second. I just wash my face, and this is what I would use to moisturize that area. Then there's the purple side. The purple side is a little bit thicker, and the nice thing is it has hyaluronic acid, which helps hydrate your skin. So any areas of your face where you're losing volume, as you get older, you tend to lose volume here in your temples, under your eyes, cheekbones, right here in your nasolabial folds. So this purple formula is what you would use in those areas. And that's exactly what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to start with that. You just smooth it in your clean skin, and you're nice and moisturized all night.
Awesome. So have you been using it pretty much as your nighttime routine?
I've been using it as my nighttime routine, but you can also use it during the day.
Okay.
So it's just, for me, it's kind of like a ritual to make sure my face is nice and clean and hydrated at night before I go to bed. But this would be good to use under your makeup as well. I would just suggest that you give it time to dry fully before you start applying any type of makeup. This product, I would say that it kind of helps depending on a person's face shape. So if you have more like a rounder face like I do, you would tend to have the sagging in the jawline, jowl area of the neck. And if you have more like a more long face, you might start to hollow out in the temple and under eyes, but eventually that gets us all. And that's what the Revolumize portion of the formula works for. And the Resculpt is going to work to tighten the face here at the bottom. The white portion of the formula in my neck and my jowl area. I mean, you feel like nice and hydrated. You could kind of like see the difference. So I've enjoyed it. It's just very convenient to have two things in one jar. So that's what I like about it.
And in case you're wondering where you can pick this up, you can actually pick it up at your local counter, your Clinique counter. So go ahead and check that out. I also have links below in the description where you can check it out as well. But thank you so much, Mom, for helping me out, because I know I have another demographic that watches me and they want that type of information. So thank you so much. You are the skincare queen. Thanks again to Clinique for sponsoring this video. My mother and I both really, really love Clinique, so thank you guys. Okay, you guys, now it's time for my mom to pick my makeup. She's gonna suggest anything that she would normally like to use or that she feels is best for my skin. So the first thing I'm gonna start off with is primer before I do anything else, right, Mom? For like a nice base.
Yeah. So I would definitely start with the primer to fill in any pores that are standing out, just to give you a nice even tone.
Okay.
So I really like the Smashbox Oil and Shine Control.
Oh my God, the new one.
Yeah, it really helps with that T-zone. Get a lot of open pores around our chin area and around our cheeks.
So I actually have that one around here. It's right here. This is actually a new one from them, and we both really, really love it. So I'm glad you chose this one, Mom. I'm gonna put that on, and then I'm gonna go to my makeup area, and she's gonna choose all of my makeup, and I will be right back in this little background in just a second. All right, so I have all the things, Mom, that you suggested. I have the Nars Foundation. I have the Nars Concealer, Smashbox Primer, the Dior Mascara. I don't have lashes. Do you? But you don't really wear lashes, right?
I never wear lashes, so skip the lashes if you're trying to do what I would do.
Okay. The Too Faced Bronzer, Tarte Blush, Makeup Forever Liquid Eyeliner, and the Dominique Cosmetics Latte Palette. Mom, I brought the YSL Liquid Lip. I have like a nude one, and then I also have like a pinky bullet.
I would use either one of those. I love like pinkies. The pinkies I use more so in the summer.
Oh, okay.
And, the other times of the year, I'll wear the more neutral tones.
Okay, so I'm gonna do the liquid lip because it's more of a nude, like a deeper nude. The other one's like a light pink. Okay, Mom, well, I'm gonna send you a picture of what I look like with your makeup routine on, okay?
Okay.
So you can see how it came out.
Okay.
Okay, bye, Mom, I love you.
Bye, I love you too.
Everybody say bye. All right, so now we're gonna start applying the makeup on the face. So first I'm gonna go in with a primer, which is the Smashbox Photo Finish Oil in Shine Control. I'm gonna put it down. Actually, I'm gonna put it all over my face because my texture needs some help today and just help mattify my whole entire face. Because her type of makeup is makeup that is going to make your skin look really good. So I'm gonna put the Nars foundation on right now. It Cosmetics just came out with this foundation brush. How freaking adorable is this? Love Beauty Fully. It's so cute. I feel like It Cosmetics has some of the best brushes and just products in general. So I'm gonna put some of this foundation on. Okay, so my face is nice and even. Before I get into concealer, I'm just gonna go ahead and start with my eyes. I know my mom, she loves her Latte palette, and this is more her type of vibe because it's very neutral and something you can wear every day. So I'm gonna go in with my very well-loved Latte palette, and I know that she would want something neutral. So I'm gonna take Caramel, which is that really beautiful transition shade right there, and I'm just gonna take that right into the crease. And my mom actually doesn't do too much eyeshadow. She likes to keep it pretty simple. So I see my mom doing this probably on her crease and outer half and just kind of blowing it out so it's nice and soft throughout the crease. And then I'm gonna take vanilla cream and use that to brighten, because she does brighten her under eyes and anywhere there's any dullness. I already know my mom. You guys, if you want my mom to do my makeup, I can fly her out from Houston, Texas. She could do my makeup, and I think that would be amazing. I actually did her makeup in a video about 2 years ago, and that was so fun. But yeah, maybe she can come out and do my makeup, and we can just have like a girl's day. That would be so fun. And then I can film her doing my makeup. That would be so cool. She does brighten the brow bone. She doesn't like to use a lot of shimmer on her face or her eye area, so I'm not gonna do that because I know she wouldn't. And the creation of this yellow shade was actually inspired by my mom, because she used to wear yellow concealer from Maybelline, and I grabbed that yellow concealer and wore it to school without her knowing. Because of my under eye circles, I was teased so bad about my under eye circles, and I had just had it one day and I grabbed that concealer, and my life actually changed that day. I'm not joking. That's the reason I got into makeup, because of the transformative power it has. Just self-confidence on the inside and outside. So life-changing. That vanilla cream shade means so much to my story in makeup, and part of the reason why I'm here, a large part of why I'm here. I'm not gonna do too much makeup here. I'm just gonna leave it as is, just kind of soften everything out. Very kind of bare. Okay, so I'm gonna go in first. Primer from Dior. My mom really likes Dior. My grandma loved Dior as well. So I'm just gonna put that on my eyes first. My lashes, so they can be long and luscious and natural, like my mom. My mom naturally has really long lashes, and it's just not fair because I didn't get them. I'm gonna let the primer really stick to my lashes, and I'm gonna be using this Makeup Forever liner that my mom really likes. Not like super thick at all. Now I'm gonna use this Dior Show mascara that she uses and really likes. Oh my god, this actually really works very well. I am going to put on some concealer, and I know she doesn't like to use a lot of concealer like I do. Why am I doing this weird, like, she doesn't put her concealer on like this. I don't know why I'm doing this like that, but we're just gonna keep doing it. The next thing we're using is bronzer, her favorite bronzer right here. I'm using the new Hank & Henry Sandra brush. They don't have names. Oh, cute. Okay, this is the Sandra brush, and I'm going to work that on my cheekbones, up into the temple, and around the forehead, just like my mom taught me. So right here, all the way around. Ooh, okay, this is something my mom does. I always see her go like this. Down the nose. I'm gonna contour my nose a little bit with this shade. I'm just gonna go on the side of my nose really quick and thin out the end. Also, I know she puts bronzer in her crease just for a little bit of extra something. And she learned this part from me. I know she puts it on the lower lash line now. And then, what's next, Mom? She also puts on blush, so obviously she chose it. My nails are getting like way too long for me to function. I'm gonna put on this blush right here. It's called Natural Beauty, but it is a very vibrant red. I think that if I use soft pressure, it's gonna go on more natural. So I'm just gonna softly apply that, except for on this side. I don't know what happened just now. All right, so what's next? Lips. Oh my gosh, this is the quickest makeup tutorial ever. The lip that I have is number 7 from YSL, and it's just a nice nude liquid lip. You see how it brushes on? It's like a little paintbrush. Okay, I'm gonna fill in my brows really quick because I feel like they're kind of gone, and then I will be back with the final look. Okay, so I'm back with my hair. I left it up. I kind of like this like big, huge, messy bun, and I just took down some wispy parts of my hair, and now we are ready for the rest of the day. This is definitely my mom's go-to look. This is her look right here, so I'm representing her very well, I feel like. Mom, I miss you, I love you, and I hope to see you very soon. But you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the final look. Thank you guys for watching my mom and I today. I hope you got some tips from her if you have more mature skin, and I hope you just like the way this makeup look came out. It's really fresh, natural, and pretty. I'm always about a matte look, and this is very matte and just beautiful. Don't forget to check out these 2 videos on the side if you missed them. They are waiting for you to watch. And before I let you go, I just want to remind you to slow down. I talk fast sometimes, and I tend to just keep going, and I have that problem. I have to tell myself that. slow down in your life before you say anything, before you react to anything. Just the main thing I want you to take from this motivational section of my video is slow down. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.